Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know the deal. Today is Monday, makeup and motivation. And yesterday on Slay It Sunday, I decided to do a nice green, sultry, brown, nude sort of situation. And it was a vibe. It was just what I needed for the end of Black History Month. My head wrap was popping and I was able to pull this look off, and I wore it all day and it was just so pretty. I loved every minute of it. And the message that I decided to put out was to clap for yourself and be proud of you. The thing about pride is that it gets a bad rep. Pride can keep you from achieving great things. Like if you're too prideful, that means that you won't apologize, you won't admit when you're wrong, you won't say you're sorry. Those things are being too prideful. But the good side of pride is acknowledging how great you are, acknowledging how far you've come, acknowledging the good things that you do and the good things that you are. So pride can also be a great thing. Be proud of yourself. I don't know who needs to hear this, but clap for yourself. You're waiting for people who don't really matter to clap for you. Now, I understand that is easier said than done, because sometimes it's not always people who we don't know or don't care about that aren't clapping for us. Sometimes it's your parents, your siblings, your grandparents, your closest friends that you feel are not clapping for you. It's very difficult when you don't see the people that you care about the most clapping for you. But if it's in your mind and it's in your heart to do, you have to follow your own instincts. You have to do what is completely best for you and what's going to make you the most happy. Happiness is an inside job. It's up to you to know what your joy is and what's going to be the absolute best for you on the inside. Just because someone thinks that you shouldn't eat 20 Oreos in one sitting doesn't mean you shouldn't. If that's going to make you the happiest, eat those 20 Oreos. But no, seriously, it's not just about Oreos, and I'm pretty sure that's not good for your diet. But start that business, enroll into that school, go on that date, open that bank account. Those are the things that may make you the happiest and give you the most joy. So why not be joyful in your own right? Some people may not understand your direction or what God is doing in your life, but it's also not for them to understand. It is absolutely for you. So clap for yourself. Be proud of the things that you have going on now, and be proud of the things that you got over. You left that situation that was extremely toxic and it was hard for you to leave, but you did it. You started that business that was so hard to start. You didn't have any direction. You didn't know where to go, but you started and you're thriving. You started that gym regimen and it was hard and you were tired, but look at you, down a couple pounds, have so much energy. You're fitting your clothes better. Those are the things that you definitely need to be proud of, and you should clap for yourself. Don't worry about who's not clapping for you. Go right ahead and clap for yourself. At first, it's easier said than done, but when you get that confidence in you and you understand your ability and where life and God is taking you, you will never, ever, ever look back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and Slay It Sunday. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at CandiceRayCan for all of the Slay It Sunday in my stories, the full tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you later.